So I've touched on your credit report and your credit score, but what you're probably wondering is, Loida, what I really want to know is how much can I actually qualify for? Now, this is a great question and everyone's situation is completely different. I wish that I could tell you an exact figure for what your purchasing power will be, but at the end of the day, a lender is the perfect person that will be able to give you that figure. Some of the things that a lender takes into account when they're determining your purchasing power is that they will take a look at your income, your credit score. They will ask you if you have any type of money saved for a down payment. They'll also ask you if it's just going to be yourself getting qualified and approved, or if maybe a family member or a friend will be getting approved as well. There are some other factors that usually also affect your approval and your purchasing power, and those are whether or not you are a wage earner or if you are self-employed. So make sure to contact your lender because they will be able to give you the perfect scenario as to what you're actually going to be able to get approved for and afford. And that's ultimately what's going to help you get started to the path of home ownership. So how about the monthly mortgage payment and what will that look like? Just to give you an example, your mortgage payment will vary depending on your interest rate and your down payment. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you download the Realtor.com app as it has a really awesome feature called the monthly cost calculator, which allows you to play around with different figures so that you can see exactly what your payment will look like depending on what down payment you put and your interest rate. So as you can see, I just opened the Realtor.com app. Once you open it, this will be your dashboard. And if you go to the bottom right corner under more, it will take you to all of the additional features. So now we're going to click on monthly cost calculator. So as you can see, there are so many different figures here that you can actually play around with and change. So we're going to change the home price. Let's say that the home price is $350,000. And let's say that you actually wanted to put down 3.5%. At 3.5% down payment for a $350,000 home with an interest rate of 3.5%, you're looking at a mortgage payment of $2,133. Now, let's say for the same home, you actually wanted to put down 20%. We're going to change that figure in this section. Now, the 20% is $70,000 for a down payment, but that brings down your monthly mortgage payment to $1,583. And there you have it. So go ahead and download this app. That way you can play around with all these figures and get a better sense of what your payments might be looking like. Now, before you get ahead of yourself and start searching for homes and calculating payments, please make sure to connect with a mortgage lender and get that entire process started. The lender will be able to tell you exactly how much you will need for a down payment, whether or not right now is the best time for you to start home shopping, or if you need to take a little bit more time to save up more money for a down payment. Hi there, I'm Loida Velasquez, Realtor.com first-time home buying expert and agent with Team BC at eXp Realty. Thinking about buying a home but confused as to what is involved in the financing part? In today's video, I will be sharing with you everything that you need to know from your credit score, the down payment, how much you can actually afford, and how to get pre-approved. So if you're a first-time buyer, let us be your go-to resource for all of your home buying needs. We'll be talking about more first-time home buying topics, just as finding the right agent, going and looking at homes, and so much more. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, share it with someone else, and subscribe to this channel. And with that being said, I'm Loida, your Realtor.com expert, and I will see you on the next one.